Hello everyone, this is Dilip Gangadharya, Senior Product Manager from the Network Edge Product Management team, and I'll be walking you through the BYOC Untagged connection workflow today. Before we get started, let's pick a virtual device, tester 01 update in this case, and to trigger the BYOC workflow, I'll go ahead and click the Connect to a Network Service button here. In the BYOC workflow, we can first order a port and then create a virtual connection to connect to the NSP. Before you begin, make sure you have a letter of agreement from your NSP, figure out which IBX location you want to order the port in, and also have the VLAN information ready to connect to the NSP. The BYOC topology is clearly shown in this diagram here. You can see the network edge device on the left, the Equinix fabric network right here, and the BYOC port which you're going to order through a cross connect, which connects to the NSP's patch panel. Step 1 to 6 are clearly called out. So let's begin this process by first ordering a port. In this case, because I had two devices, I have a default connection. I have a default redundant connection selected, but I'm going to choose a single connection in this case. Here, there are a couple of options. If the NSP is in the same metro as your virtual device, you can choose the first option. And if the NSP is in a different metro, you can order a port in a different metro than your virtual device with the second option. So I'm going to choose the first one and pick an IBX. Here, I can have the port attributes automatically selected by Equinix. And just to show you what attributes are available, I'm going to select the second radio button here. But I'm going to have Equinix select the default attributes. And I'm going to name this as Verizon NSP. Next, we can upload the letter of authorization, which is usually a PDF format document. And once all the information is uploaded for the port, you can verify the information here on the right and then proceed to configuring the virtual connection. Now, for configuring the virtual connection, we can give the virtual connection a name. And you can see how the connection name automatically shows up on the topology. I'm going to choose a bandwidth for this connection. And the two options which we have here are the tagged and the untagged. If you want tagged traffic to flow to the NSP, you can specify the VLAN ID which has to be used for the tagged traffic, either in this workflow right now by selecting this option, the first option, or you can also come back and enter the VLAN information later on. But this demo is for untagged traffic. So I'm going to select untagged here and have Equinix automatically select the next available interface. You can now verify the port and the virtual connection details together, and also the pricing information. And on the next screen, review and accept the order terms as well. Once this is done, hitting the Create Network Service Connection button triggers off the workflow. And the port activation process usually takes up to 3 days. And once that is done, the traffic can then flow between the virtual device and the Verizon NSP port. This was the demo for creating an untagged connection through the BYOC workflow as part of the April 2022 release. Thanks for listening.